Welcome home bakers to another episode of my YouTube channel Basic Homebaking by Myrna. I hope by now you have liked and subscribed, so I'll be more inspired to give you a new yummy recipe every time. Today, I'm going to teach you another delicious recipe, the mango cake. This mango cake is a 3-layer chiffon cake with a mango butter cream icing. Okay, let's start. The ingredients are 8 egg yolks and 8 egg whites separated. For the egg white mixture, 3/4 cup of sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of cream of tartar. For the egg yolk mixture, we have 3/4 cup of mango juice, 2 cups of cake flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/2 cup of white sugar, and 1/2 cup of oil. Now I prepared 3 8" pan lined with wax paper. Okay, we're going to start mixing. Let's start with the egg yolk mixture. 8 egg yolks. We add the oil and the sugar. Beat until the sugar is melted. Then add the mango juice. This is mango puree with water. And add the flour and the baking powder. Sift the dry ingredients. Mix until there is no more trace of flour. Set this aside. Add the cream of tartar. When bubbles are fine, add the sugar gradually. Stiff peaks. We're going to fold the egg yolk mixture to the egg white mixture. You can use the spatula or I'm using the wire whisk, but make sure you do it slowly, going up like that, because this is easier than using the spatula. Make sure you don't deflate your mixture. Must be going up like that in circular motion. There. And use the spatula to finish this folding. Run through the sides and at the bottom. Then we're going to divide this into 3 8" pan. Divide this into 3. Okay, and then tap 1, 2, bubble. Bake at 325 for around 30 minutes. Now, here's our chiffon cake, mango chiffon. Bake at 325 for 45 minutes. To test, here, bounce back. We're going to invert this to hold. Let this cool. For the icing, 2 cups of cold butter, soft but cold butter. Change into wire whisk. Add the powdered sugar, 1 1/2 cup. Then add 2 cups of all-purpose cream, 1 tablespoon at a time. The cream should be placed in the freezer for 40 minutes so that it is very cold. Let's add some yellow food coloring. Then add the remaining all-purpose cream. Some more food coloring. Mix until the mixture is totally blended or homogeneous. That is, everything has come together as one, well blended. Then divide into 2. Add chopped mangoes, 1/2 only, 1 face of the mango. Okay, we're going to decorate. Run through the sides and then invert. Decorate at first. I'm going to put this mixture in a piping bag. Then Then we make a wall on the sides. We add mangoes. Then the next layer. Then add the mangoes again. Then the next layer. Then we add mangoes on top. Now look at my mango cake. There. So beautiful and so delicious. There you have it, my mango cake. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. See you on my next episode. Enjoy!